Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download VirtualBox for your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open google.com and then we have to search by typing VirtualBox. So I'm going to type VirtualBox over here and hit enter key or return key of our keyboard, and VirtualBox related search will be there. So here www.virtualbox.org, this is the official website of VirtualBox. I'm going to click here and it will be open shortly, and here there is a download button is there, or there is a download menu is there. Any option is fine. We can choose this one or this one to start downloading this software. So I'm going to click here so that we can access the download page of VirtualBox. Here there are two tabs are there, like this portion and this portion. This is the actual software platform package and this is the extension pack. We need both of them to download and install. Otherwise, for some cases, the install operating system on top of the VirtualBox will not work properly. Now let's download the software first. So this is the VirtualBox software, and right now it has the version 7.6, this one. And here there are a couple of options are there. We are using Mac operating system, so basically these two is our choice. So macOS, and this is for Intel processor, and this is for Apple Silicon host. I'm using the Intel processor Mac, so I'm going to choose the first one, macOS Intel host. But if you are using the Apple Silicon version of processor, you have to download this one. Now I'm going to click here. Now I'm going to click here to download this software, and it is asking, do you want to allow downloads from virtualbox.org? And this one we have to press allow button to start the downloading, and once the download is finished, it will be downloaded, it will be saved on the download folder. And now we need to download the extension pack for this VirtualBox. So this is the extension pack for VirtualBox. Before downloading this thing, we just need to accept and download this button. We just need to click here, and then here it is asking again, are you sure to download this one? I'm going to press this allow button and it will start downloading. And once the download is finished, then it's time to access the download folder to start the installation. I'm going to click this finder, and then I'm going to jump to the downloads location, and here we are seeing two files are there. One is the installer and there is the extension pack. To start the installation, at first we need to install this, and then we can only install this thing. So I'm going to double click on top of the VirtualBox, and very shortly it will open the installer window. From here we have to double click on the icon. I'm going to double click on top of the icon, and it will start the installation process of this VirtualBox. At first it is giving us to continue the next step by pressing the continue button. I'm going to click here to go to the next step, and it is asking, do you want to install this software for everybody? Yes, I am. That's why I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to press continue button to go to the next step. Now it is showing us that this will take 294 megabyte of space on my computer. Okay, so we can install this location, or if we prefer to other location to install, you can change from here, but I'm fine to install it on the default location. So I'm going to click install, and very shortly it is asking us to put the admin password of my password. I'm going to type the admin password of my Mac, and then I'm going to press install software, and very shortly it will start installation of the software. Once the installation is completed successfully, this progress bar will be finished, and we'll get a confirmation message that the VirtualBox software has been installed on our Mac. Once the installation is completed successfully, we'll find this message, the installation is successful. Now press this close button to close this installation. I'm going to close it, and then is asking, do you want to move to Oracle VirtualBox software to the trash? Yes, we want, because we don't need it anymore, or otherwise we can manually delete it. I'm going to press this move to trash so that the software will be deleted automatically. I'm going to close it. Now we are going to install the extension pack for this VirtualBox. So at first we need to open the VirtualBox software. So I'm going to open the VirtualBox software. Now it's time to install that extension pack. So to install that, at first we need to click these tools. There is three like dash this type of icon. We just need to click here, and it will bring this type of window. From here we have to choose extension, and we need to install it by pressing this button. I'm going to press install, and then we have to show that this is the extension pack. I'm going to click here so that it will be linked properly, and then I'm going to click this open button, and very shortly it will give us this message like you are about to install VirtualBox extension pack. We have to press install button to start the installation, and we have to wait a few seconds more. So here this is the license agreement. We have to scroll down almost to the end, and then the agree button will be visible. I'm going to press it, and the agree button will be gone. Now it is asking us to put the password again, so I'm going to put the password for my computer or Mac, and then I'm going to press the OK button. If the password is correct, it will start installation, and we'll see this type of message like active Oracle VirtualBox extension pack, and this is the version. That means this has been installed. Now if we don't need, we can also uninstall from here also. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily download and install VirtualBox software completely with the extension. Thank you guys for watching the video.